Herbicide-resistant wild oats are becoming a serious issue for more and more Western Canadian farmers. While you may not think it's an issue on your farm, it's worth taking a moment to consider the facts. Weed experts agree that Group 1 and Group 2 herbicides pose a high risk for resistance development. In 2009, 13 million acres were affected by Group 1 and/or Group 2 resistant wild oats. That represents 20% of the annual crop acres. In 2015, Group 1 and Group 2 herbicides were used across a high percentage of wheat, barley, pea, and canola acres. That same year, over 40% of the growers said that they had Group 1 and/or Group 2 resistant wild oats. These numbers reveal that herbicide-resistant wild oats are affecting more farmers than ever. But what can be done about it? Experts agree that diversity is a key component of successful weed management. Non-herbicide weed control options like using a mix of fall and spring seeded crops, higher seeding rates, and varying seeding dates are important. And when it comes to herbicides, adding a Group 8 like Avadex or Fortress and a Group 3 like Edge or Treflan to your rotation is a great way to add diversity. We recommend adding a Group 8 and a Group 3 once every 4 to 5 years in order to reduce selection pressure. Our suggested approach to using a Group 8 and Group 3 herbicide once every 4 to 5 years spreads your investment out over time, reducing the annual cost. In addition, many third-party research studies have shown that early season weed control increases yield. This means a sequential or layering approach with a soil-applied herbicide like Avadex, Edge, Fortress, or Treflan, followed by a post-emergent with a different mode of action can boost your returns. Higher yield and better returns while fighting the growing problem of wild oat resistance. We think it's a better plan than farmers in other countries who have overused herbicide groups and now have to deal with costly manual weed removal and expensive herbicide combinations. When it comes to herbicide resistance, there's no quick fix. We understand that, but we also know that the best way to manage resistance is diversity. Gowan's soil-applied residual herbicides add diversity to your wild oat management program. Contact your local retailer today to learn how you can start using Avadex, Edge, Fortress, or Treflan on your farm.